Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to send email from our Gmail account using Python programming language. Step 1. Open the Gmail account from which you are going to send the email. And go to the account.google.com. And then search for less secure app and then just. Now activate the less secure app to give your Python program access to your gmail.com. Step 2. We will first get the code from our GitHub account. Kindly check the description box to get the GitHub link. Open the code in the Jupyter Notebook. Or you can just copy the code from the GitHub account. Now after getting the file, just enter your email ID in username variable like this. And now enter the password in the password variable. Okay, so here you have to add your name and email ID. It is because when we click on the show details button, then you will see the name and email that you have been written in your code. Now just run the code. Enter subject. Enter the person's email ID you want to send to. Enter the message you want to send. And check the above details and type Y. And just wait. And boom boom boom. You will see the output. Now let's go to our Gmail and check whether we have received any email or not. So as you can see, we have got our email. Thank you for watching till here. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.